Buenos días y bienvenidos a otro episodio de Spanish with Dr. Fisher. Today we are talking about the verb acabar. I actually got this request from one of my former students. I want to give a shout out to Daniela Gamboa, who is actually now a Spanish teacher. Hola, Daniela. The verb acabar actually means to end or to finish. And in the present tense, this is how we conjugate it. Feel free to repeat after me. Acabo. Acabas, acaba, acabamos, acaban. We have this structure here to use when we want to talk about something that was just completed. Recently, the word literally has been used a lot by the younger generations, so think of this as what you literally just did. Once we conjugate acabar, based on the subject we want, we add de, and then keep the unconjugated form of the next verb, which is called the infinitive. The two examples I have here are acabo de comer and ella acaba de llegar. Your turn. Try translating these. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. I have the answers on the next slide. And check your answers. Hopefully you wrote these correctly. Thank you for joining me today. Keep up the good work and keep learning Spanish with my other videos.